Welcome back to this Thursday session, morning session. We don't have any trigger that's closing yet. So it's an orb long. We are above the 5 minute opening range. We have passed the 5 minutes and we are 2 minutes over, 7 minutes after opening, right? So we have we have to wait 3 minutes for it to close and we go long on DAX together, pointing to 630, stop loss below overnight lows. DAX is also oversold if you ask me compared to the Nasdaq market. If you look at a 6 month time frame, I'll just zoom a little bit out here. What you see right here is just my system pointing out the previous day's low, previous day's highs, and so on. But we used to have highs around 25,000 or 24,600, 700. Right now we're trading around 23,400. So 1,500 points down, and Nasdaq is way above. Still too high. So I would short Nasdaq, long DAX if I have to do something. I think Nasdaq is going to correct itself again. So I'll do that with you today. But I'm going to keep it very simple, not going to overcomplicate anything. I have the two indicators, the two software that I own, that I built. Could be very interesting to see how the market is going to react today. So right now, I just clicked 5 days and then 5 minutes. I have my own indicator software where I just mark it out the 5 minutes. Right now, if we have overnight highs, overnight lows, break below, could really, for me personally, trigger a short. If we're holding here, it's a long. So right now it's just a long. I think we're gonna break overnight highs. So it's on and off, opening range, breakout long. Signal is coming on and off because we haven't closed. Right, so that's why. So it's not a valid position yet. So let's see here. Again, keeping it extremely simple. So I'm basically just gonna wait for it to actually rally, confirm a long, and I will enter. Okay, I'll be pretty quick. I'm gonna hold my setup. So the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, my goal, my focus is just taking and following all my systems, my orb, my SR fallback reversal is it's a long signal, a short. So I'm not gonna trade my own style, even I'm right all the time, right? I think I have like a 90% win rate, but that doesn't matter. I know some traders that have a 20% win rate, 30% win rate, more successful than me. Win rate is not gonna say how successful you are. It's about your profit factor. So my strategies have a profit factor of 2 to 3. It's amazing for these type of strategies. So that's the system. That's what we're gonna follow. It have a 50 to 60% win rate is amazing with that profit factor, right? So even when I'm right all the time, personally, when I'm not using the system, we shouldn't be taking the trade. You see, yesterday I was right all the time, but I was down like 5, 6, 7K. And then I get back to break even and I make a couple of thousand. I should just have hold on to it because I was right all the time. So I'm always too early, I'm always too quick. But then later on it crashed 500 points. I would have made 50K, 100K in my other accounts, and the mirror account I would have made 20%. I'm up on my mirror trading account. I don't know if you saw that, guys, but I actually launched that one here. I'm the owner of that, mirrortrading.com, where you can just automatically mirror my live account. I'm up 40%. You see the performance compared to the Nasdaq, the S&P, I think. It's updating. I'm way above. I mean, I made 500%. Verified. Like, don't trust me. Go into the platform, see the results for yourselves, and you can see how much I'm up, how much I'm down. So that's pretty transparent, and it's free for you to mirror me. I just charge a little performance fee. That means I only make money, take money from you if I make you a fortune. I'm up 40%. in the past 3 months verified with the broker, right? So, I mean, you could go in, open an account, follow my guide, through here mirrortrading.com on your computer or a phone, chat with me in Messenger, you get an automated message guide, and then you are mirroring my account automatically without even doing anything. So if I'm up 5%, you also up 5%. If I'm down 5, you also down 5. So we have an orb, I think, that just triggered. Just confirming here. I think we managed to close above. Yeah, we did. We have an orb that just triggered. We have an orb long that triggered, so I'm gonna go long, guys. So I'm gonna buy. I'm thinking about buying the Nasdaq. I'm sorry, DAX here. So I'm gonna buy the DAX at 4.5 maybe 4.10. Have a stop loss at overnight lows at 350. Right, just around here, 369. Yeah, you could have that. I'm just gonna have my stop loss at overnight lows, so 360. Okay, and I'm gonna have my target at a 3R. Okay, so that's 630. So I'm gonna buy right here at 13. So I'm currently long DAX. I can let you know the setup if you want that. You can just put it in here to Telegram. But I'm just long now on my live account. I'm also gonna go live here on the company account. Just a small position, I think. So I'm just gonna buy here. So I'm buying the DAX. It's currently trading at 96 here on. Let me just add a stop loss so I actually have something in place. 23 and then 350. It's fine for me. And then target is around 600. Just so I have it in place. Okay, it's fine. So currently long. I'll let you know the signal here. We have an orb long that just triggered. It doesn't have to work. Just following it. Staying disciplined. That's the most important for me. Staying disciplined. Following the system. So entry, this is my entry. Right. Stop is below overnight lows. Overnight lows. But I currently have my stop loss just placed here at 58. It could be wrong. It could really be wrong. So respect it. But just following the system. That's the most important, and what I'm paying attention to myself. I still think it's a long, even this is selling off a bit. I mean, let's see if we're really gonna break below overnight lows. So I went in full long also on the Saxo Bank account. It doesn't seem to work. Doesn't seem to work, but still holding it. Let's see here. It's gonna be interesting to see. So we just formed the 15-minute opening range highs and lows, and that's what I personally like to trade. So I would recommend everyone tuning in using the 15-minute software. It works. A 5-minute also works, but that's just more easier. Then you're not gonna have as many fake outs. And you're not going to have as many trades, so just be aware of that. So when I'm saying that, I just want to disclose. How can I disclose it? If you have 5-minute time frame that I'm trading with right now, you're going to have many trades, many fake outs. You're also gonna win more. You're also gonna lose more. You're gonna have many trades that's going against you. You're also gonna have many trades that's really working, right? With the 15 minutes, there's gonna be many days where it's just flat, no trades. Looks like it's gonna probably test and probably break below overnight lows. So my stop loss is currently at what? 350. It's okay. Still long. You can see it right there. Currently down, light position. Long for 3.5. What do I think about this DAX here? I think it's a little overreacting, to be honest, and I still think it's gonna come back. So I'm actually thinking about adding to it. But let's see. It's choppy. Nasdaq is actually holding quite good. I mean, Nasdaq is pushing. So I mean, we could just compare it to the Nasdaq. So if we lose the Nasdaq cash here, I mean, that's actually overnight lows, overnight highs. I mean, it's just not doing anything. I mean, it could really break below overnight lows and then be a short and then come all the way back to where we should have closed the short yesterday. But right now it's just holding itself. There's no selling pressure. What about UK? I'm actually curious to see. I'm actually curious to see the UK 100, just to see what we've been doing here. So UK, it's pushing, and it's not really giving us anything. It's tricky. I think Nasdaq is gonna go up. I mean, why did I take and why do my system actually say long? Because Nasdaq is not selling off also. That's also one of the criteria. You can see it right there. I mean, I'm not hiding anything. You can see right there, it doesn't look like it's really selling off. If it sells off, I'll short it. So DAX doesn't look that good, I know. It doesn't seem to really work my trade. And I know Nasdaq is very high, and I also know that, and I think Nasdaq personally could go higher because of Nvidia. So I mean, no really big progress. So DAX looks very choppy. I have my stop loss. I want to disclose that at 60. Yeah, 58. So let's see. So just confirming here with you. We should still have a DAX. There was still, I think there was a 5-minute warp. I just want to confirm. We should be able to have we have a 5-minute warp, and it closed above. But I have to use the 5-minute time frame always, else it's not gonna work. See, still a 5-minute warp on the 5 minute. This will only work if I have it on 5-minute time frame, right? Yeah, exactly. So I'm still long. I mean, I'm thinking about adding to it. If it breaks overnight high, I'm thinking about adding to it. Or I'm gonna probably move stop loss to break even if it breaks out. 1 hour, move stop loss to break even. Right now it doesn't look that good. I mean, it's not really looking good. I mean, it's very slow. We could just say that. I wouldn't personally add anything, so I'm still staying in very light, guys. I could go in with 100 contracts, but doesn't see the what is the meaning, right? What is the purpose? So my target is currently 630, right? 625. So it doesn't seem to work right now, but I'll give it time. Again, yesterday we had some news. We have some news also today, I think so. Unemployment claims, unemployment rates, non-farm. We'll have some news today. This could drive the market more crazy. Like the reason why we really pushing is because of Nvidia is up 5%, right? So things is really pushing hard. BTC is also pointing back. I mean, what about Rheinmetall? It was down 6 or 7% yesterday. That's kind of like also pointing a little bit back. Siemens is also pointing up. We are after 15 minutes and 7 minutes. We're gonna have maybe a signal on a 15-minute orb. I mean, I'm just gonna hold it as you could see. I mean, right there, I entered at 97. It's currently trading at 80. Light position. Could I add to it? Could be funny to see me make much more. Yeah, of course, but I just don't have a need for it right now. I just want to see if it's actually going to confirm and actually close above the opening range highs and lows. So let's see if it's going to close above 440 in the next 7 minutes, and then I'm probably focus and just stick to my principles, stick to my system, and hold on to it, but also maybe add to it. So 400 right now. Let's see. It's pretty slow. Let's see if it's actually going to go back. Because it looks like it's actually on its way back, but still slow. I mean, could really go back, I think. Come on. Trolling me. It's pretty hard to predict. I mean, I'm close to profit now, guys. Okay, not close to, but I entered here at 20, right? So I'm still down. I mean, you could see it. I'm thinking about starting pulling off my larger private account soon to be more transparent, because that's how I make my money and that's how I trade. I mean, interactive brokers, my private account, so on. I also use Mainstage, link in the description. That's where I also have a couple of, I have some big accounts there also where I trade for myself. Miro trading account, the main Miro trading account, where you mirror my trades. It's pretty, I trade with a couple $1 million. But this is like, maybe take a look at this. It's pretty gonna help you. I mean, I'm up. I have some pretty good returns verified for the broker. Why is DAX doing nothing? It's selling off again. It's probably gonna take people out here. So I would like to buy it here. But again, it's also a little bit risky. Going along with no progress at all. Let's see if it's actually gonna come back. Or if it's just gonna stay choppy. Doesn't seem to work. This trade here. It got above 400, but then got it rejected again. Let's see. Doesn't seem to work. It's just very slow. It could take out the overnight lows. but Nasdaq is still kind of like pushing a little bit here. I mean, it doesn't really seem to be that a worst. Let me just see here. I think they're gonna push it back. Let's see here. So you cannot hear me on YouTube. You should be able to. Let me just check here. Yeah, it should work. But I'm not doing any fancy things. I'm just trading. I mean, took the trades on my mirror account as well. So if you're mirroring my account, you can see I'm long. You can even go into the platform right now, sign up, and then search for my name, see my position, how much I have, my exposure, how much I'm in with, my asset management. You can even see, I think, even if you go in to Vantage, you can see how much I'm in for. You could just search my name, and then you could see, yeah, you could see it right there. Exactly. So you can see I'm currently long DAX, how much I'm up, how much I'm down, how much I'm in for. I'm up 40% this past 3 months. You can see I'm currently down 0.06%. I mean, just go ahead and see. I mean, I'm not hiding anything. I'm trading with you're gonna verify it for me, right? Still long. Nothing have changed. It's just boring. I hope this is gonna close above orbiting range long on a 50-minute time frame. On a 5-minute, it did. I'm still long. I mean, it's not something that I'm saying. I'm actually long. I actually put the money where my mouth is, and now I'm in profit, guys. See, I'm in profit. I'm just gonna probably hold on to this. I'll just have a set and forget approach with you guys here. So set and forget. Now I'm gonna follow my system. Now I'm gonna stay disciplined, train my brain, stay disciplined. Okay, so set and forget. Okay. So we have a set and forget. I'm done trading. I hope you enjoyed, and now I'm in profit. Go into Vantage, look up my account, and then you can see it. Let's just see here. No more trading for me. I'm kind of long. I went long right here. And yeah, just holding it. I know it doesn't look that good, and it's very slow. But I just have, this is my target, 650. Let me just see quick here if I look at the chart. Okay, so 650, I don't think that's unrealistic. I still think it could go back to 750, but 650 is realistic for me personally. So I'm gonna end it here. Currently long, now I'm in profit. I'm gonna first move my stop loss to break even once we reach 500, 1 hour, okay? Get the system, you know how to get it, whoop.com/MattHansenReal. Then you just get it. Still the low price, nothing have changed. 2 members more joined. Great. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. Yeah. So sign up, enjoy it, and there's videos, guides, everything how it works. Once you have signed up, you just simply connecting your TradingView account, your free account. TradingView is just a platform. It's not the broker. It's free. You could trade futures. You could trade whatever you want to trade. All indexes, all index micro future. You connect your prop firm account, other broker account. TradingView is just where we look at trading tools. Okay, so I'll hold it. I'm not changing the stop loss, only if I'm in profit.